Autodesk Inventor 2020 adds many user-requested enhancements to Frame Generator. Now, choose not only Frame Generator file name defaults, but you can also set the name for end caps in the defaults dialog. New in-canvas manipulators help you place, offset, and rotate your selection, making it easier than ever to visualize the orientation of frame members. Now, find the multi-miter and multi-notch commands as a property panel. No need to select additional options to operate on multiple members at the same time. The notch command has improved options for creating custom profiles. And when notching tubes, the notch with perpendicular cut option helps you create a profile ready for laser cutting. The lengthen and shorten commands now allow you to specify asymmetrical offset values. And the trim command allows you to select which side of the member to remove. Design changes are now easier with the ability to select multiple members with the Remove End Treatment command. Close off structural frame members with the new Insert End Cap command. You can set the position, profile shape, and thickness, and save the properties of your end caps as presets for later use. And finally, you can now add custom end cap families to your Content Center library. Autodesk Inventor 2020 continues to deliver user-requested enhancements and provide the professional-grade 3D mechanical design and engineering tools you rely on.